Hi guys, welcome back to Grange Vlogs. Hope you're having a lovely day. Something a little bit different. I don't normally have cereals from the shop because they've got all these additives and salts and sugars and fats that your body doesn't necessarily need. So I make my own breakfast cereal. I got this recipe from one of my sisters at church, and I've been making it ever since. Sometimes I don't even use milk on it, I just eat it as a snack. So I'm going to share with you how I make my breakfast cereal for my family. So come along for the journey. I am using all these seeds because they're healthy fats. They're not saturated fats or that's going to raise your bad cholesterol and cause you any trouble. These are healthy, plant-based. They're nutrient dense. They're full of vitamins and minerals, iron, zinc, all the essential minerals that your body needs to provide the right energy and to function properly. These are not there's no added salt. These are all natural in their whole form. So there's no salt or sugar that's been added here. The only sugar that was added was when I add my honey, and the only flavoring to this was my cinnamon powder. If you don't like cinnamon, you can do your nutmeg or mixed spices or whatever other options that you like, but these are the options that I chose to go with. You can add and minus whatever you do not like or whatever you're allergic to, because quite a few people are allergic to nuts, but this is how I like it. It's nice, it's crunchy, it came out amazing. It's a must try. Here I'm using fresh coconuts that I bought from Asda. If you're buying coconuts, make sure that you're shaking it to make sure that there's water inside. If there's no water inside, that means it's no good. It's going to be smelly, it's gone off, and it's no point using those ones. So make sure that you shake it. If you can hear the water shaking inside, that's the one to go for. I broke it, got the water out, got it out the husk, and then I'll get it a little wash, give it a little wash, and I'm just using my I use my knife, but you can, as you can see here, when I used my my peeler, it came out, it gave me a better result. I added a bit of cinnamon powder for flavor and a little bit of honey to bring it all together. 1 cup of honey exactly. It wasn't too sweet, it's not overpowering, it was just the right amount that I needed to make sure that everything came together nicely. Now all you need to do is give it a good mix to make sure that everything is combined together evenly. Once you've got a good mix, then you get your baking tray. I'm using just my normal baking tray. I tried it on the glass one before, it didn't come out that nice. You need something that's metal, that's going to provide the heat that you need so that you can bake evenly. So I'm just baking this for 20 minutes, no more than 20 minutes. Don't follow me and bake it for more and then have problems. So 20 minutes. at gas mark 9 or 220 degrees Celsius in your fan oven. So I left it in the oven a little bit too long, so I had a few burnt spots. I left it in there for 4 minutes extra because I was chatting, but don't do that. 20 minutes is all you need. Once it's out the oven, give it a good mix and just leave it to cool. And once it's cool, it will become crispy and nice. And then all you have to do is just store it in a glass jar or whatever jar you've got in an airtight container, and use as for as long as it's there. Mine didn't last very long because this is something that goes very quickly in my house. But all you need to do is store it in an airtight container for even up to a month. This is a quick, healthy, on-the-go breakfast cereal. So if you've got a busy lifestyle and you want to eat healthy, this is the sort of thing that you could be making that is readily available for you when you need to be on a tight schedule. So do you try breakfast cereals like these? What do you have for breakfast in your house? Have you ever tried this recipe? If you haven't, please do so. You will not be disappointed.
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.
So good.
And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
As always, thank you so much for watching. Blessings to you and your family. Remember to like, share, comment and subscribe if this is the sort of content that you like watching. Catch you in the next video. God bless. Bye bye.